Welcome, future engineers and semiconductor enthusiasts, to today's insightful video on analog/mixed signal, or AMS verification engineering in the semiconductor industry. In this video, we are diving deep into the heart of semiconductor design, exploring how AMS verification engineers play a pivotal role in ensuring that integrated circuits, or ICs, function flawlessly in real-world conditions. With the increasing complexity of today's semiconductor devices, the need for meticulous and thorough verification processes is more crucial than ever, ensuring reliability and top-notch performance in various applications. Now, let us talk about what AMS verification engineers do. Their main task is to validate the functionality of analog and mixed signal components within an IC. They use advanced simulation techniques, such as SPICE and FastSPICE, to model and analyze the behavior of circuits under various conditions. This process is vital in identifying potential issues early on and ensuring that the analog components interact seamlessly with digital parts, guaranteeing the chip performs precisely as intended. Of course, to carry out their tasks effectively, AMS verification engineers rely on a range of tools and methodologies. Industry-standard software tools such as Cadence, Mentor Graphics, and Synopsys are integral for circuit simulation, modeling, and verification. Adopting a systematic approach to validation is crucial, with methodologies like the Universal Verification Methodology, or UVM, playing a pivotal role in enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of the verification process. However, the job has its challenges. AMS verification engineers often deal with diverse analog components, complex mixed signal interactions, and the need for high accuracy in simulations. Fortunately, advancements in verification tools and methodologies are continually helping engineers to navigate these challenges effectively. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential in this rapidly evolving field, ensuring engineers stay at the top of their game. As we wrap up today's video, let's look at the career prospects. There's a growing demand for skilled AMS verification engineers in the semiconductor market, opening doors to exciting opportunities for those ready to take on the challenge. For students aspiring to enter this field, building a solid foundation in analog and digital circuit design is crucial. Continuously updating your skills through training and practical experience will set you on the path to success. Remember, as an AMS verification engineer, you are playing a critical role in shaping the future of technology, making it an advantageous career choice. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.